Our encrypted codes are based on the alphanumeric keypad of a basic phone. So for example, letter S. In the alphanumeric keypad of a basic phone, letter S can be encoded by pressing the number 7 key 4 times. So what you can see here is that 7 is where the letter S can be found. So what you can see is 1111 or 4 ones. So this 4 ones represents on how many times you need to press the number 7 to encode letter S. So therefore, letter S, the code of letter S is 71111. So for example, the word fabulous. In order to encrypt, the first letter F, here it goes, based on the numeric keypad of the phone. So in order to encrypt letter F, you must press the number 3 key 3 times. So here it goes, 1, 2, 3. So that's letter F. So letter F will be 3 and 111 because you can achieve encrypting letter F by pressing the number 3 times. So for letter A, in order to encrypt letter A, you can encrypt letter A in the keypad by pressing the number 2 key 1 time. So A. So letter A is 2 1. For letter B, so press number 2 times. 1 2 1 2. So letter B is 2 1 1. For letter U, press number 8 2 times. 1 2. Sorry, sala kay kahinay sa mga punano. 1 2. So letter U is 8 1 1. For letter L, press the number 5 3 times. So letter L. Letter L is 511. Letter O is or can be encrypted by pressing the number 6 3 times. So letter O. Number 6. Letter O is 6111. And for letter U, same here, it's 811. And lastly, for letter S. Letter S can be encrypted by pressing the number 7 key 4 times. So letter S is 71111. So that's it. So in order to form the word fabulous, to make it easy, so here is the chart of our cipher. So let's start with the first letter F. So letter F is 3111, letter A is 21, letter B is 211, letter U is 811, letter L is 5111, and letter O is 6111, and letter U again is 811, and the last letter is letter S, which is 71111. That's all. Thank you.